Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to check Apex code test code coverage in Visual Studio Code editor for Salesforce development. I'm not going to talk about Apex unit testing and Apex code coverage. In this video, we are going to quickly see how to execute a test class and how to check the code coverage. Usually, we make use of Salesforce Developer Console and see how much the code is covered. The covered code will be in different color and the uncovered code will be in different colors. If you wanted the same developer console experience in Visual Studio Code Editor, then you can make use of this video as your reference. First, let's see a demo and then we will see what configurations we have to enable in the Visual Studio Code to achieve this. So I'm going to run a test class. So I'm going to run all tests in this particular test class. It is executing. Okay, it got executed. Now if I open the class, I should be able to see, they call this as hamburger icon also sometimes. So if you make use of this icon, highlight Apex code coverage, then it will display the same developer console experience for you. The code that are highlighted in green are covered under the Apex test coverage. The ones that are not covered will be highlighted in red color. So we were able to have the same developer console experience in the Visual Studio Code. In order to achieve it, go to settings in your Visual Studio Code and search for retrieve-test-code-coverage. Once you search, enable Salesforce DX-VS code Apex testing retrieve test code coverage option. Once you enable it, if you are unable to see this highlight Apex code coverage icon, quit the VS code and reopen it again. Then you should be able to see it. Make sure this option is enabled so that you can have the same developer console experience in the Visual Studio Code editor. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.